Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you know how important it is to keep your assets secure. Today, we're tackling a straightforward guide on how to send XDC tokens from Bitrue exchange to your Ledger Nano X hardware wallet. This step-by-step process will help you move your funds safely offline, reducing the risks of hacks on exchanges. Let's jump right in. First off, before we get started, make sure you have the basics covered. You'll need a verified Bitrue account with some XDC in it, a fully set up Ledger Nano X, and the XDC app installed on your device. If you're new to Ledger, quickly install the app via Ledger Live. It's super easy and essential for this transfer. Alright. Step 1. Log into your Bitrue account on their official website or app. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets or Assets section and select XDC from your list of holdings. Step 2. Click on the Withdraw button next to XDC. You'll be prompted to choose the network. Always select the Shin-Fin network to ensure compatibility. Double-check this, as using the wrong network could lead to lost funds. Step 3. Now, grab your Ledger Nano X. Connect it to your computer via USB and open the XDC app on the device. Your wallet address will display on the screen. Carefully copy this address. Remember, never type it manually to avoid errors. Step 4. Paste the address into the withdrawal form on Bitrue. Enter the amount of XDC you want to send, review any transaction fees, and hit Confirm. You'll receive a verification code via email or SMS. Enter it to proceed. Step 5. On your Ledger Nano X, you'll see a prompt to approve the transaction. Carefully verify the details on the screen and confirm with your device buttons. Once approved, sit back and wait for the transfer to complete. It usually takes a few minutes. A quick word of caution. Always double-check addresses and use two-factor authentication. In 2025, with crypto evolving fast, staying vigilant against scams is key. And there you have it. Your XDC is now securely on your ledger. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.